Buddha, or Siddhartha Gautam, was one of the most pivotal figures in the history of mankind. His teachings reflect truths that are often beyond the societal timelines. Unlike Christianity, Buddhism is not constrained by the type of society one finds himself in. Thus, Buddhism relies on almost perennial truths, unlike moralized truths of Christendom that are only applicable in a very restricted society. Buddha argues that the world consists of suffering. We all suffer in one way or the other. Till that time, Buddhism and Christianity walk together. However, Christianity blames the man for suffering, while Buddhism blames attachment for suffering. Thus, in the Christian society, if a man is righteous, suffering shall not exist, for it is brought about by sin. But no man is righteous, and what of men who are righteous to some extent, but are cheated upon? Buddhism argues that the cause of suffering is attachment. So, not just a lustful or hateful man gets hurt, but so a man who loves too much, for the object of his love may not be righteous. In this sense, Buddhism offers a solution to the current problem of society wide degeneracy and misandry that Christianity tacitly approves by calling it a sacrifice. The only solution out of this mess is a realization that it is our own attachment that makes us not hold those who are against us to the same standard. The problem is not majorly the sin, for it has ever existed. The problem is that men have been blinded by their love towards the institutions that hate them. It is like a man hoping that his cheating wife will one day love him. The problem occurs when men sell justice for empathy, and for those that don't have offer the same in return. It creates an unequal balance wherein you feed the monster that bites you, and you know wants to eliminate you. This could be institutions, society, ideas, or women, anything which men love blindly. One of the surest signs of manipulation is when that blind love is sought by these figures, for they want submission. One cannot come out of the trap easily, but without realizing the true nature of the conceited love. This is why Buddha left his wife and his family. Conceited love has no real value, yet it has many downsides, and one of the downsides is the apparent fall of society that is so visible in the West, along with copious misandrous views of its people. It is not just a coincidence, it is the blossoming of the conceited love.